Hello friends, in this series of videos I have already discussed first normal form, second normal form and third normal form. Now in this video I'll discuss BCNF. Again, what is the basic idea and what is the problem with the third normal form because of which you have to switch to BCNF. But please make a note of this, that till now I'm only concentrating on the basic idea, that what is the concept of third normal form, what is the concept of second normal form, what is the concept of BCNF. As far as exam is concerned, which is the most popular question, that consider a table and find the normal form. So how to do it very fastly, I haven't discussed this logic till now. So in the next video I'll discuss, because first I want that you should have a basic idea of every normal form so that we can try that question. So in the next video then we'll try that question, that consider a relational table and identify the normal form. And one more logic, that if a table is not in desired normal form, then how to decompose it normal form. So identification and decomposition to the desired normal form I'll upload in the next videos. In this video again I'll give the basic idea and we'll discuss what is the problem with third normal form because of which you switch to what? BCNF. Okay friends, now let's understand the basic idea of BCNF. You see, till now I have first discussed second normal form, then I have discussed third normal form. You see, when I say there's a functional dependency from alpha to beta and we are discussing about second normal form, then we say that it should not have a partial dependency. Now let me take you back to second normal form. I ask you, what is partial dependency? Partial dependency exists when this alpha is prime and this beta is non-prime. Again, that is when a non-prime attribute, instead of depending on the entire candidate key, depends on a part of a candidate key, then it is called partial dependency. So second normal form says this logic cannot be allowed. A non-prime attribute cannot be depend on a part of a candidate key. Cool, that is okay. Now you understand, as far as third normal form is concerned, now it says what? First of all, that is also there, so second normal form must be there. Second, it says what? If beta is a non-prime attribute, then alpha is a non-prime attribute. Now that is what? A transitive dependency. It says when a non-prime attribute find another non-prime attribute. The transitive dependency is not allowed in third normal form, so third normal form rejects this. Now you understand this thing. This is a clear-cut case of partial dependency. This is a clear-cut case of transitive dependency. If you talk about third normal form, then third normal form reject both of them. From prime to non-prime you cannot go if this is not an entire candidate key, and here from non-prime to non-prime you cannot go. But please make a look of it, that in both the cases this beta side is what? Non-prime. Alpha could be prime and non-prime as far as third normal form is concerned. तो थर्ड नॉर्मल फॉर्म को अगर आपको डायरेक्ट भी जज करना है तो अंडरस्टैंड, बीटा साइड पे हमेशा क्या होना चाहिए? नॉन प्राइम एट्रीब्यूट. अल्फा साइड पे इट कुड बी प्राइम और नॉन प्राइम. बट हैव वी डिस्कस ऑल पॉसिबल केसेस? आंसर इज नो. फॉर एग्जांपल, नाउ इफ आई आस्क यू, if there is a dependency from alpha to beta and if there is a prime attribute on beta side, you see, अगर derived attribute ही beta हो, now this alpha it could be prime and what? Non-prime. Now what is this kind of dependency? You understand this thing? अगर आप prime को ही derive करना start करते हैं, you see, पहले आप क्या कर रहे थे? You were trying or you were deriving a non-prime attribute using a part of a candidate key, then you were deriving a non-prime attribute using non-prime attribute, but now you understand, you start deriving what? A prime attribute, either with a prime or a non-prime attribute. You see, this case is not covered either in third normal form or in second normal form, and BCNF deals with these kind of cases. Okay friends, now let's discuss the concept of BCNF with the help of an example. Okay, you see, let me consider a relational table R with three attributes A, B and C, and let me take dependencies something like this. Okay, from A, B I find C, and from C I find back what? B. Okay, question number 1, what is a candidate key? Again, you see, A is essential attribute because no other attribute can find A, so you must consider A from starting. Now question number 1, is A a candidate key? Answer is no. Why? Because A cannot find anything alone. Now let me try combination. Can I say AB is a candidate key? Answer I think is yes, because directly from AB you find what? C. Cool. That is okay. Now let me check another combination. AC is a candidate key? Answer is again yes, because from C you can from C alone you can find B, and you find everything because only 3 attributes are there. So answer is yes. So now you understand there are only 2 candidate keys. One is AB and one is what? AC. Fine. Now let me check this table is in which normal form. Okay, there are 2 dependencies, first from AB to C and second from C to B. Okay, now you understand this thing. Question number 1, is this table is in second normal form? Let me check. AB to C, is it a partial dependency? Because you see second normal form deals with what? Partial dependency. क्या AB to C partial dependency है? Answer I think is no, because AB is an entire candidate key, and to be a partial dependency this must be a part of a candidate key, so it is not a partial dependency. Okay, let me check the second one. C to B, is it a partial dependency? Question number 1, is C a part of candidate key? Yes, it is certainly a part of a candidate key. C, AC. But is B a non-prime attribute? Answer is no. C is a part of candidate key, that is okay, but B is also a prime attribute, hence it is also not a partial dependency. And if both of them are not partial dependency, now that is okay, that this table is already in what? Second normal form. Okay, now let me check the next one, third normal form. Third normal form deals with what? Transitive dependency. So this table is already in second normal form, so no need to check partial dependency again. Now let me check transitive dependency. You see, from AB to C, is it a partial transitive dependency? Answer is no, because transitive dependency, if you remember, is from non-prime to non-prime, but this is a candidate key, it cannot be a transitive dependency. Check the second one, C to B, is it a transitive dependency? Still answer is no. Why? Because this is prime and this is also what? Prime. Both are prime attribute, but transitive dependency deals with what? From non-prime to non-prime. Hence I prove the logic that both of the dependencies are neither prime, neither partial nor transitive. So this table is already in what? Third normal form. Okay, but question is there exists some problem? Yes, answer is yes. Why? You see, from AB you find C, but from only C you find what? B. Now there's a problem, and I'll say that this table is not in BCNF. Now to deal with these kind of problems, like I told you earlier, there are 2 cases which are remaining. If alpha to beta there's a dependency, and if there's a prime attribute on beta side, and it could be prime or non-prime. You understand this theoretically, primes are those attributes which are part of a candidate key, so उनको find करना चाहिए, उनको कोई और find करेगा. Theoretically they should be on the left hand side of the dependency. Yes or no? They should be the determinant attribute जो किसी और को find करते हैं. But you see, 2 cases जो capture नहीं कर पा रहे हैं, neither second or third normal form, is that sometime beta becomes prime attribute and alpha either prime or non-prime. Now this case cannot be captured by either second or third normal form. Now here comes the BCNF, and BCNF, even there's no need to check whether second or third normal form is there. You can also give a direct definition. You'd say, okay, now let me say what is BCNF. Now BCNF says, if there is a dependency from alpha to beta, then only one case should be there. This alpha should be a super key. This alpha should be what? Super key, irrespective of the fact what is beta. तो कोई भी चीज जब derive कर रहा है किसी दूसरे logic को, तो वो क्या होना चाहिए? Super key. And you understand super key, candidate key, this concept I have already discussed in the previous video. See, if someone is watching this video directly, please go back and check that video. Now conclusion is, if alpha to beta dependency and alpha is a candidate key, then there's no problem in that, because theoretically a candidate key or a super key is entitled to find everything. Now if you check beta, now it could be prime, it could be non-prime, मुझे इससे कोई फर्क ही नहीं पड़ेगा. Now you understand. Come back to this table, C to B. Now is this relation is in BCNF? You see, there's a dependency from C to B. Now I have already proved that this table was in with third normal form, but you see this table is not in BCNF. Why? Because AB to C, is AB a super key? Certainly it is, because AB is a candidate key, therefore it is also what? Super key. But is C a super key? Now C is not a super key. If C is not a super key, then I cannot allow this. You can also understand in that fashion that if something is super key, then you can ignore what is beta. It could be prime and non-prime, but if this is not super key, then I'll not allow this logic. Now you understand this logic, that it is possible that a table is in third normal form but not in BCNF like this, where you suffer from these kind of logics. But BCNF eliminate all of them in a single go by saying what? If there's a dependency from alpha to beta, then only and only alpha must be a what? Super key. Please